Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw something that every artist needs, and that is a pencil. So, to draw our pencil, we're going to start with the point. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle, and then I'm going to draw another line that just comes up at an angle like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a really long diagonal line, just like this. Then, right here, I'm going to draw that same line. I want to try to keep it the same distance apart, just like I did on this one. Can make them a little bit longer. Now, up here at the top, I'm going to draw a curved line, and then I want to draw the metal part of the pencil. So to do that, starting right here, a little bit underneath that curved line, I'm going to draw a small curved line that goes right about to there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side and leave a little bit of space in between. Then I'm going to draw another diagonal line. And then I want to draw that same diagonal line over here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw another little curved line. And then I'm going to put the same thing over here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes all the way across and comes right to there. And that's going to be the metal part of our pencil. Now for the eraser. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up at an angle. And then another one right here that goes up at an angle. Then I'm just going to connect these with kind of like a curved line. Then, coming down here, I want to finish off the pencil. So, starting right here, I'm going to make a curved line, real small. Then I'm going to draw a triangular shape like this. Then I'm going to draw another small one. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line. Now, right here towards the tip of the pencil, I'm going to draw a small curved line where the lead would be. Then I'm going to make a little circle shape, or oval shape, I should say. And then I'm going to color in the point here, where the lead is. Then on my pencil, I'm going to draw two lines that go from the bottom here all the way to the top. And there you go. There is your quick and easy drawing of a pencil. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.